We open on a scene in Kuala Lumpur. It's early evening. A Swiss businessman is standing on the roadside outside a big office block, trying to flag down a taxi, but there are none. He's getting frustrated. Finally, one pulls up, but there are already 3 passengers inside. A voiceover says,
"This is not a taxi."
The taxi driver gestures for him to get inside. The businessman taps his watch, saying that he is in a rush. He says that he needs to be at his hotel in 15 minutes. The driver gives him the thumbs up and says, "No problem." The businessman scans the street for another cab, and realizing there might not be one for a long time, he reluctantly squeezes in the back with a portly Chinese man and a young Indian. In front sits a middle-aged woman dressed in traditional clothing. A voiceover says,
"This is a voyage of discovery."
Little does the businessman know that the taxi driver has different ideas about how long 15 minutes is. We see quick shots of the road going by, and the driver picks up some foreign worker types as the others get out. The businessman keeps checking his watch, looking anxious. A voiceover says,
"This is not 15 minutes."
The driver starts making further detours to pick up and drop off other passengers, each of whom acknowledges our businessman happily. They all talk to him. Obviously, the time is flying. Some share food, show him things in the paper. One gives him a hat. Soon, he's having a great time, forgetting about his delay. A voiceover says,
"This is life."
Finally, he's dropped off at his hotel. But when he attempts to pay the driver, the man refuses to accept his money. He walks into the huge empty hotel lobby where, in contrast to his welcoming experience in the taxi, he is greeted by a receptionist who gives him a false-looking customer service smile. A voiceover says,
"The more you look at the world, the more you recognize people's different values."
The HSBC logo appears with the end line, "The world's local bank." This is replaced by a web address which reads www.hsbc.com/peoplewisdom.